What are we gonna do today? We're gonna play. We're not gonna play. We're gonna run around in the frost. Yes. Is that what we do? Is that what we do here?
Oh, little Phoebe there coming up for cuddles and
She always does that.
yeah, and enjoying a sunrise. Yeah. With, of course, we got Violet who's thinking, can I come and play? You want to? He's going to climb up on Caroline.
Come on, you can.
Oh look, they're best of friends. It won't last. They're getting jealous now.
Yeah, well, that does happen actually.
Everybody,
jealousy.
Everybody wants a cuddle from Caroline. Oh, I hope your day is going well, and this brings a smile to your face and a sense of well, nature in the world is a wonderful place to be in. It's good to be part of it. Take care, everybody, and happy Friends Day.
Happy Friends Day, exactly.